Hi, I'm Kyle Thomas with Tomahawk Attachments, Nappanee, Indiana, and today I have here our one-cylinder Tomahawk brush grapple. This grapple is designed to handle brush, rocks, logs, debris, and so much more. This grapple is 66 inches wide, 34 inches deep, 32 inches tall, and has a total weight of 415 pounds. We have 8-inch spacing between each tine. The top clamp is also constructed out of all 3/8 steel with a 2500 PSI cylinder on top with a cylinder cover on it for protection. When the top clamp is fully raised, you have an opening width of 33.5 inches. All of our attachments are powder coated black and built with the highest quality. Come see us today at 1952 West Market Street, Nappanee, Indiana. Our retail store is open from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also order online at tomahawkattachments.com. We offer free shipping on our attachments to the lower 48 states.